So super cool day today. Finally getting the delivery on the new John Deere tractor we ordered from United Ag and Turf. So there you can see it getting rolled off. It's the John Deere X758. It's diesel, four-wheel drive. You can see some of the accessories there. 21 steel utility cart, the lawn roller. We've got a plug aerator over there. There's also a thatcher and a plow that we ordered. Unfortunately, are not in stock yet. John Deere has those out across the country right now. See, nice. They've got the extra support on the wheels there for snow weather up here. Got the sander spreader there on the back, the quick hitch. Beautiful deck. That is a huge utility cart.
I didn't think they made anything I didn't think they made them out of metal anymore, and I saw the other day, and I was like, damn.
Yeah, I saw they had a plastic option and a metal option, and I said, well, you know, they say the plastic is rated for X amount, but I think I trust the steel a little more.
Yeah, this thing is sharp.
Yeah, the paint job on that's beautiful. So you get a better shot of the deck there. It's 54 inch. You'll see why in the building in a little bit. Why we went with the 54 instead of the 60. It's a little tight in there. Alright, so all the accessories are finally off the truck over there. Taking this guy off the trailer. Listen to that beautiful diesel engine. So they got the tractor off. Do a quick little walk around. You guys can get a close-up view of everything. Nice seat cover. Wish it had armrests though. It's a really well-made machine. Got a nice little storage cubby there. 12-volt plug-in. Drink cozy. You can get a good look at the salt spreader, seed spreader, whatever you want to use it for. Got hooked on the back there. It's the roller, a couple of quick hitch weights to level it out. Nice look at the plug aerator. See, 21 steel utility cart. Thing is huge. Really nicely made. I'll open up the hood in another video so you guys can see inside what kind of machinery we're working with there. I'll have Susie do a riding video so you guys can see how nice the turning radius is. Get a good listen to that diesel engine again.